Today's idea came from Annalisa. Thanks, Annalisa. We will draw the Little Mermaid. You can make a request in comments below and email your art to us. Start with a letter-size paper. First, draw the face. A little higher on the page and off-center. Draw a dot to mark one side of face. Mark the other side. Draw a semicircle in between the dots. Now go here to draw an ear, shaped like a small semicircle. We can see her side face. So draw a straight line here. Find a spot for the nose, which is a tiny curve in the middle. The eye is an oval shape. Mark the top and bottom. Draw an oval to connect the dots. Don't forget the eyelid. Very good. Now the other eye. Find the top and bottom like before. Then draw an oval through them. Draw the eyelid. Finally, draw a smaller circle inside each eye, like this. Now a small curve above each eye for the eyebrow. And a tiny curve for the mouth. Her face is almost complete. Find a spot for the hair above the eyebrow. The hair falls down to her ear. On the other side, draw a small curve. The hair curves back like this. This mermaid's hair is long and curvy. Let's draw a bigger curve here. Here, the hair angles up. Draw a short line. Then it circles back. The head is round, so the hair follows the curve. Before we draw the other side of hair, let's draw a star here for a hair clip. Draw the top like an inverted V. Draw a V flipped on the side at left and right. Draw the two bottom V's angled toward the middle. Doesn't it look like a starfish? Now we can draw the hair. Connect the hair to this part of the star. What's next? The neck, of course. Mark the left and right sides of the neck. But first, draw shoulders rounded up, like a small hill. Extend this neck down. Draw the other shoulder like the first one. She sits with her arms straight down. Mark the spot for her wrist. Connect the shoulder and wrist. Now we got a line for the arm. The other line for the arm is shifted down. The wrist position is also shifted down. Mark the armpit. Connect the two. The hand rests flat that way. Back of hand curves down. Draw the thumb. A line for the rock beneath her hand. The line stops short. Her body comes down this way. Draw a line down, stop short again. So we can leave space for her curved tail. Now draw a curve here. Her tail goes up and down. Mark the turning point. Draw in between. The top slides down like a thigh. Find the top point. Her tail goes up from here. Connect using an arc. The tail curves this way. start drawing an arc. The underside curves toward the first line. Let's extend the two lines till they meet. Mark the meeting point. Connect the lines to this point. To complete the tail, draw tail fins. It follows an arch across either side. Mark a point on each side. The tail fin curve starts from here. Draw on this side toward the dot. Draw the other side toward that dot. Finish the tail fin with a wave line. Complete the other side with another wave. Doesn't she look more like a mermaid? Now draw the shoulder. I want her to wear a long dress. First, draw a small curve here, then a short straight line. Use small wave to draw top of the dress. Draw one curve after another. Almost done with the outlines. Let's make her hair wave this way. The other side curves like this. Finally, draw the rock. It dips into the water. Stops here, then turns around. Use jagged lines for the rock. The water line is straight across this way. The outline is done. Now on to coloring. I like to start with the eyes. I used purple. You can choose the color you like. Then let's color the star. Have you seen starfish before? They radiate out from the center, like this. Let's give the hair some color. I chose vibrant orange. Reinforce the outline first, then fill in the colors. Be careful around detailed parts, like here. Did you watch The Little Mermaid by Disney? It is based on the fairy tale by Hans Christian Andersen. He is from Denmark and wrote many classic stories. He is the author of Ugly Duckling and Emperor's New Clothes. The hair is done. Isn't she beautiful? Add pink to her cheek to make her more lively. And lips. Her dress is studded with pearls on the top. You can draw the decorations you like. I choose to start with purple to match her eye. Here, I decided to use many colors for her tail and blend them into one another. Like how water constantly shifts color too. I'm using blue here. The way to blend color using markers is you start with denser lines together, then gradually space the lines apart. Use lighter and lighter pressure as you go. You just created a gradient. Apply this technique wherever you want to blend colors. I just blended purple into blue. If you think her tail looks like a dolphin's tail, you'd be correct. I referenced dolphin tail because dolphins are such great swimmers. I used a lighter blue here. The mermaid's tail should be wet and smooth. So I left some blank spots to make the tail look more sleek. Finally, I decided to color the tail ends green. Blend the colors again. The tail fin also needs some highlight. The tail fin propels the body forward. Dolphin's tail fin is super powerful. It can help the dolphin reach 34 kilometers per hour. That's why I studied a dolphin's tail for a mermaid. Now the mermaid is not only beautiful and also a powerful swimmer. To draw the water, use a thick tip if you have one. If you don't, any size tip will work too. Keep making wavy lines around the tail. Now color the rock with jagged lines. At this point, I want to color more waters and make it look like the sea. Keep overlapping the waves. Be careful not to draw over the mermaid. The lines get thinner and more spaced apart. As you move up, color this side too. You are done! Great job! If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time!